If you are a professional carpenter, a D enthusiast, or someone who enjoys tackling home improvement projects, having a reliable portable workbench is essential. Portable workbenches offer the flexibility and convenience to set up your workspace anywhere, making them an invaluable tool for various tasks. In this video, we will review the top 6 best portable workbenches on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Let's explore which folding workbench is the perfect fit for your needs. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Workmate WM125 Workbench. The WM125 Workbench is a robust and versatile portable workbench designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a durable steel frame and wooden vise jaws, this workbench ensures stability and reliability for various tasks. The adjustable swivel pegs and angled jaws provide flexibility for clamping irregular and uniquely shaped materials. With slip-resistant feet, this workbench remains stable, preventing unwanted sliding during use. Key features: durable steel frame and wooden vise jaws. Supports up to 350 pounds for heavy-duty tasks. Compact, lightweight design that folds flat for easy storage. Adjustable swivel pegs for clamping irregular shapes. Jaws resist warping and can be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials. Slip-resistant feet to prevent sliding. Number 2. WORX WX051 Portable Workbench. This portable workbench is a convenient solution for a wide range of projects. This portable workbench is designed for easy transportation and storage, with a fold-and-go design that pops open for quick setup and folds down compactly. The 2-in-1 design allows seamless transitioning between a workbench and a sawhorse, accommodating projects of all sizes. As a workbench, it supports up to 300 pounds, and as a sawhorse, it can handle up to 1,000 pounds. Key features: fold-and-go design for easy setup, storage, and transport. 2-in-1 design transitions between a workbench and a sawhorse. Supports up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Expandable by connecting with other WORX support tables. Large surface area of 31 inch into 25 inch with a working height of 32 inch. Lightweight and durable. Made from molded ABS plastic with steel supports. Number 3. Keter Portable Workbench. The Keter Portable Workbench is an ideal solution for DIY projects, home improvements, and even professional worksite tasks. Its unique quick opening and folding system makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. The heavy-duty plastic combined with aluminum legs provides a robust workspace with a capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. Despite its sturdy construction, the workbench is lightweight and features a carrying handle for portability. The workbench also includes 2 12-inch clamps to help secure materials during your projects. Key features: quick opening and folding system for easy storage and portability. Weatherproof polypropylene construction to prevent rusting, peeling, and denting. Heavy-duty plastic and aluminum legs support up to 1,000 pounds. Folds down to 4.4 inches thick for compact storage. Dimensions 33.5 inches long, 21.7 inches wide, and 29.7 inches tall. Includes 12-inch clamps for securing materials. Number 4. DEWALT DWST11556 Portable Workbench. The DEWALT DWST11556 Portable Workbench is a versatile and durable solution for a variety of tasks. Designed with quick setup and folding in mind, it can be ready for use or packed away in less than 3 seconds. The metal legs provide robust support with a capacity of up to 1,000 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. The large work surface accommodates various tasks, while the integrated clamping system is compatible with trigger clamps, allowing for a wide range of clamping applications. Key features: versatile clamping system, compatible with trigger clamps for all clamping applications. Quick setup and folding in less than 3 seconds. Metal legs support up to 1,000 pounds for heavy-duty tasks. Large work surface for various applications. Opening handle can be used as a tool hanger. Number 5. Pony Portable Workbench. The Pony Portable Workbench is an adaptable 2-in-1 worktable, perfect for various work scenarios. It easily switches between a workbench and a sawhorse, offering convenience and flexibility for different tasks. With a load capacity of up to 500 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, this workbench provides strong support for heavy-duty projects. The height adjustable feature, ranging from 30-inch to 35-inch, allows you to work at different levels and adapt to any size project. Key features: 2-in-1 worktable that switches between a workbench and a sawhorse. Load capacity of up to 500 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Height adjustable from 30-inch to 35-inch to suit various work scenarios. Includes 12-inch and 6-inch medium-duty easy hold bar clamps, 2 large bench dogs, 2 small bench dogs, and 2 safety straps. Collapsible design for easy carrying and storage. Number 6. WORKPRO Portable Workbench. This portable workbench is a robust and versatile solution for heavy-duty tasks, providing exceptional strength and stability. Constructed from 1.3mm steel, it has undergone extensive testing, enduring a load capacity of 2,000 pounds over 6 months. This workbench features a premium FSC-certified solid wood rubber tabletop, offering ample space and eco-friendly durability. Its adjustable height range from 31.5 inches to 39 to 3 by 8 inches ensures ergonomic comfort tailored to your needs. Key features: constructed from 1.3mm steel with a load capacity of 2,000 pounds. FSC certified solid wood rubber tabletop with a 48-inch by 20-inch workspace. Adjustable height range from 31.5 inches to 39 to 3 by 8 inches for ergonomic comfort. ETAL certified power strip with 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports for convenient power access. Effortless assembly with clear instructions and video guide, plus expert customer service support. Thanks for watching our review of the best portable workbenches on the market. The models we have reviewed each offer unique features to meet different needs. Consider your specific requirements and preferences to find the perfect folding workbench that will make your tasks more manageable and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for tuning in and happy woodworking!